Hi, good morning. This is your chef Prakkash. Hope you all doing good. And very nearly the Christmas is coming. I wish you happy Christmas to everyone. And today I am going to share the recipe is pavlova. It is a Christmas dessert. Around the world, everyone will make this dessert at the time of Christmas and New Year. So I would like to share that one to you all. Now I will tell you the ingredients which you are going to use to make the pavlova. 4 egg white, 200 gram of white sugar and 5 gram of vanilla essence. Only the 3 ingredients. First take a mixing bowl, put the egg and sugar and vanilla essence all together, make it whisk very fast until it's become puffy, the egg white coming puffy. After that, remove from the mixing bowl, make a tray for piping. You can pipe what kind of if you want to make it as a round shape, or it's up to you. Make it 5 pieces or 4 pieces of pavlova. After, bake it at 150 degree temperature for 55 minutes. This is the temperature. After you finish the bake, keep pavlova for 20 to 30 minutes. Keep it rest. Don't piping anything. Don't make any filling on it until it's come little hard. After, for the filling, the recipe is sweet whipping cream 200 ml and custard powder 115 gram. Mix these two in a mixing bowl and put it in your star nozzle piping bag and keep it ready for filling the pavlova. Once the pavlova get cool, use this custard filling inside, make it fill it nicely and garnish with